Example 3A, we are finding the probability of multiple events that are happening. We want to know in this case, what is the probability of being dealt exactly 3 8s in a 5-card hand from a standard 52-card deck? All right, so first of all, before we get started with this, when we are finding the probability of multiple events, we want to multiply the individual probabilities. So multiply the probability, or the probabilities of each event happening. Okay. So in this case, I am getting dealt a hand from a deck of cards, 52 cards, okay? I want to have in my 5-card hand exactly 3 8s. The other 2 cards, it really doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna put a little diagram down here, I guess. So 5 blanks representing my 5 cards in my hands. I need this to be an 8. I need this to be an 8. I need this to be an 8. And then the other 2 cards don't matter. So according to this probability of multiple events, I have to multiply the probability of each event happening. So first, what's the probability of me being dealt an 8? Well, how many cards, how many 8s are there in a 52-card deck? There's 4 8s. So my probability of being dealt an 8 is 4 out of 52. My probability of getting dealt another 8, well, I've already been dealt 1 card, so now there's only 51 cards left. And hopefully I've already been dealt an 8, so now there's only 3 8s that are left. Okay, so 51 cards total now, and only 3 8s left. My probability of getting another 8, there were 4 8s in the deck, now I only have 2 left. There were 52 cards total, now I only have 50 left. My other 2 cards, their probabilities, I'm going to add the note under here that my other cards cannot be an 8 because we're looking at the probability of being dealt exactly 3 8s, which means whatever these other 2 cards are, they can't be an 8. All right, so I have 49 cards left. In my last blank, I'll have 48 cards left. Out of those 49 cards that remain, one of them is an 8. I don't want that 8. Any of the other 48 cards are fair game. And then after that, we have 48 cards left. One of them is an 8 still. So I'll take any of the other 47. Multiply all of these probabilities, and that'll give me the probability of getting exactly 3 8s in my hand. So multiply all of the tops, multiply all of the numerators. 4 times 3 times 2 times 48 times 47 gives us 54,144 over, multiply all the denominators, 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48. 311,875,200. 311,875,200.